Hey there, welcome to my channel. Sadly, yard sale season is kind of winding up for this year. The weather's getting cooler. I'm not ready for winter, but we are starting to transition to thrift stores, which can be very hit or miss for us. As you know, with thrift stores, generally we pay up quite a bit more than we would at yard sales, but there is still a profit to be had. One tip though, we went to a thrift store a few days ago at 2 in the afternoon, which, as you know, if you're going to thrift, the best time to thrift is to open the thrift store, right? Early bird gets the worm sort of thing. So we found nothing that day. And we went back today, opened up the thrift store, and we had an insane haul. Let me show you everything that we found. After we added everything up, we figure we have around $700 in sales, and we spent $90 on all of this. So it was a great haul today. Let me show you what we found. So this is a cool vintage Columbia coat. We paid $15 for this. So we did pay up for this a little bit. What we figured, the pattern was so unique that it would do really well. And I think it should sell for around $70. This is a Wrangler Pearl Snap long sleeve shirt. We paid $6 for this, and it should go for around $20. Western shirts are really hot right now. Definitely something to keep an eye out for. This is a super heavy duty Carhartt jacket. We paid up for this as well. We paid $15 for this, and it should sell for around $70 to $80. However, it fits my husband, so he might keep that. This is a Patagonia jacket. It seems like it has never been worn, actually. It's in great condition. It has this Recco technology, RECCO. That just means that if you were in an avalanche, that technology would help you get located quickly. We paid $25 for this, and it should go for about $200. And then I think the same person that donated the jacket donated these pants. They are also like new. We paid $10 for these. These also have the Recco technology, and these should go for around $200 as well. We paid $5 for this Carhartt long sleeve shirt. It's in great condition, and it should go for around $15 to $20. We paid $3 for this jersey, and this was actually a bad pickup. It will only sell for around $10. So probably should have left this one behind, but to be honest, it was in the bottom of our cart and we kind of forgot it was there. But that's okay. We paid $7 for this University of Utah pullover. It's super great condition. We're getting into football season, so figure it should go really well, and it should sell for around $25. We paid $2 for this Vans backpack, and it should go for around $15 to $20. And then we paid $2 for this Mystery Ranch backpack, and this should go close to $100. It is new with tags, which is awesome. And Mystery Ranch is a really popular outdoor brand based out of Montana. And then last but not least is this Ninja container, blender container. We paid $2 for this, and it should sell for around $50. So just a tip, don't be afraid to part out name brand items like blender items, vacuum items. They can do really well if you part them and sell them for parts. Anyway, it was a great haul, probably one of our best thrift store hauls. So that was really exciting. Not all of our thrift days are this productive. Sometimes we come back with nothing. So just depends on the day, but we're grateful for a great thrift day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you have, and if not, please consider subscribing. Helps out my channel a ton, and I really appreciate it. Also, here are a few things that have sold within the past couple of days to hopefully give you an idea of some bolo items. So first up is this North Face men's quilted jacket. We picked it up at a yard sale for $5, and it sold for $40. We picked up these On Cloud running shoes. We paid $5 for these at a yard sale, and they sold for $54.99 plus $8.99 shipping. They sold really quickly. We paid $20 for this set of value tail books. It was a lot of 39 books, and it sold for $174.99 plus $24.95 shipping. We have actually sold these books a couple of times in the past, so this is definitely something to keep an eye out for. These have sold really well for us. We picked up these cool pants for $1.50 and they sold for $60 plus $6.99 shipping. This Travis Matthews hat was picked up at a yard sale for 50 cents and it sold for $14.99 plus $3.99 shipping. It sold within a day or two. So that was a great quick flip. And then this Rainbow Rainmate Purifier we picked up for $5 and it sold for $54.99. We love picking these up. They sell really quickly and really well for us. So hopefully that gives you an idea of some Bolo items. Thank you so much for watching and happy thrifting.